The goal is to inspire. What I want the audience to get out of these exhibits is like, how did they do that?
Meow Wolf is an immersive art exhibit. We build worlds of story and artwork. It started here in Santa Fe, and then we built an exhibit in Denver and Las Vegas, then the 2 projects in Houston and Grapevine.
I would say it's art outside the box.
Each one of our exhibits has an overarching narrative. As we get more granular, an artist will come up with some crazy idea of a sculpture or an interactive they want to make, but a lot of the time that person doesn't have like the technical know-how to make it come to fruition. So there's a lot of engineers and designers that make the technical aspects doable.
Solidworks plays a part in bringing our exhibits to life, and we'll take that and bring it in and we'll build a steel armature and we'll work on simulating the motion of how this thing kind of moves and is supposed to work.
A scaled down version will be sculpted out of some kind of sculpting material, and we'll do a 3D scan of that and be able to pull that into Solidworks that'll define the shape and the structure. That's a workflow that I use all the time. Our CAD design team takes on a lot of that. Is like, how do we flesh out a creative idea and actually make it? That's where Solidworks comes in. I've used the finite element analysis to make sure things are strong enough, but we also work with external engineering firms to stamp our structures and our designs to like ensure that they're safe. I've used the SolidWorks drawing package to create drawings of my designs so that engineers can approve how they're designed.
What's great about SolidWorks is the fact that the drawing files are linked to the 3D models, so that when you are creating these really extensive drawing packages that have to go out, if there are changes that are made, they're made instantaneously. It's so fluid.
A lot of our CAD designers sit right next to the people that are going to be fabricating what they're designing. We can be talking about it the whole time.
To me, I've used SolidWorks more than any other 3D software because it's the most user-friendly, it's the most intuitive, and it's the most easily learnable parametric software that's out on the market today.
We're constantly looking for new ways of interacting with our guests and creating a truly awe-inspiring immersive art experience. And we have our fabrication team, and then we have a whole team of traditional sculptors and painters and a creative engineering department, a sound and lighting team. And the end product is this beautiful artistic creation, but a lot of meticulous technical design goes into a lot of our elements to be able to achieve the things we're trying to do. Feels like you're transported to a completely different world. You're thrown into an environment.
Meow Wolf is driven by creative curiosity and taking something that seems like, is that real? And making it real and making it possible.